National Weather Service in Miami has
Let's do this real quick.
located near Clewiston, moving north at 35 knots. Hazard, water spouts and wind gusts to nearly 50 knots. Source, radar.
Bro.
And create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Liberty Point, Moore Haven, and Calusa. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for southern Florida and the adjacent coastal waters. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Thunderstorms can produce sudden water spouts. Water spouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or the National Weather Service. You can also share your report with National Weather Service Miami on Facebook and Twitter. Now for the official